Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Daryl. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Today we're going to run through the process of creating a free creative person profile on Kamloops.me. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is create a free account, and I made a video explaining how to do that previously. I'll link that in the description if you're seeing this on YouTube, or if you're looking at it on Kamloops.me, there will be some sort of link to the previous video explaining how to create an account. So we start off at the page here. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do after you've created your account, you're going to need to be logged in. And when you log in, the first page you see is the welcome page. So on the welcome page, you'll see there is a whole bunch of excellent and completely free things you can do. If you're not on the welcome page, you can also do all of these things on the profile page. So go to your profile. You can also go to the welcome page here. Now, if you scroll down on our creative profile, you'll see some information about creating a profile. So just click the button, add a creative profile. This explains what the creative profile is all about. Okay, so let's go about setting up an account. I'm going to be setting up an example account for someone who is a painter. So I'm going to choose painting. And for the name, since the profile name that I created previously was Johnny, I'm going to go Johnny Paints. So on the creative profile, you can have a profile image. And I'm going to choose something similar to the profile image, but with a paint background to it. So I've uploaded it, click add image, and it'll add it right there. Now up on the header of the page, you could have a background image. I'm going to add something there. Drag this over. There we go. Click add image. Now I have my profile image, which will be, usually it's your face, or if you have a logo, you can put the logo there. The header image should be something that is wider than it is tall. And all of the details here, you can fill them in or not. It's up to you. You can link people towards your Facebook page, where you can have more information, YouTube, Twitter page. If you're a photographer, you might have a 500px. All of these different things that could lead to your social media profiles. If you have a website where you sell things, always good, for sure, put that link in there. One thing I can do here is also add some of my artwork. So I'm using some public domain artwork that I'm going to add. And once they're all uploaded, I'm going to click on add multiple images. And you can see they've all been added there. Now I'm just going to click submit. There. Now I have created a creative profile. Has the profile image that I uploaded. You can see my background here. Now it also creates, because I've uploaded some images, it'll create a little gallery of my images. Again, these are all public domain. I did not paint them. So you have a little slideshow gallery here. So now, while I'm viewing this profile, if I wanted to edit it, I can click edit my creative profile. And let's say I wanted to add some text to the profile, which would be about me, maybe about the stuff I painted. And if I was an insane person, I would put my phone number there. Website where I sell stuff. If I had like an Etsy website, I could put, and if that actually leads to something, it ain't me. You want people to contact you. And let's say if I had a Facebook group or a Facebook page, if you're going to link to a personal profile, not recommended. If you're doing your artwork, I would create a Facebook page for that to keep it separate from your personal page. So you can add all of your social media links to here. And then once we click submit again, now when we view the page, we can see that I've added the social media link to Facebook. And I also have that link to my website, as well as my email, and now anyone in the world can phone me. Oh, here's the placeholder text that I've added. So now when I go to my profile, when I scroll down, since I've added a creative page, I have a link directly to that page right here. Now let's say I was a painter and I was also a musician. I could create another creative page for myself, and it could be Johnny Sings or it could be the band name. And that is how you set up a basic creative profile. Now, things you can do with a creative profile would be, of course, promote yourself or your group in whatever creative pursuit that you're into. If you are someone who sells your artwork, by all means, link to wherever it is that you sell your artwork. If you're part of a group, you can actually create a group. I'll do another video of how to set up a group. Let's say if you're in a musical group with people that play different instruments, you could create a creative page for that group and then add people into it. Anyone who has a free profile on the website. Okay, so I just wanted to recap. First thing you're going to need to do is create a free account, and that's just a basic website account. Once you've created your free basic website account, then you can create a creative profile, and by all means, use that to promote yourself commercially. I don't care. It's all for free. If you can come up with some things that you think, well, that might be a good feature, pitch it to me. If I think it's a good idea and I can do it, I'll do it. All I'm trying to do here is give the local creative people a way to promote themselves to our community and hopefully build a stronger, more vibrant creative community in Kamloops. Thanks.